Ashwini, when we started the week, expectations were rather limited and restricted. But if I map this week's price action and volume action, it's been quite a rewarding week.
Good morning, Nikunj. Market is also about great defense along with great offense. And this week we have defended lower levels where we could have fallen, where events happened which could have led to falls, but we saw good strong rear guard action. HDFC has declined from 882 to about 820, and the bank nifty is still holding steady. So that shows you that a market which has rotating leadership among sectors, among stocks, is generally considered a strong market, and that remains the hallmark of this market, that you just keep buying on each 100-point declines and the market will bail you out. So basically Nifty is moving sideways in a 5850, 5950 kind of range. As market leading groups go into a consolidation, laggards are showing strong rear guard action. Yesterday IT sector and public sector index showed upside and hence prevented Nifty from falling below 5900. A closing above 5950 would be desirable if we have to get past 6000. So we're still in that 100-point range, and it's not a bad outcome considering the fall that could have happened, and given the way we are responding to global cues, etc. I think we are pretty much going on our own steam, and I don't think these falls on the US market, etc., beyond a point will impact us.
Ashwini, two mid-cap stocks for you, and then we'll discuss your Nifty strategy and your calls. Gru Finance and then DB Realty.
Well, housing finance companies are doing well, and the others, as much as they can, are trying to catch up with HDFC, which is a tall order. But as often happens, that first the leader moves and then other stocks which are similar in character, they tend to move. The next target on Gru Finance above, say about 220, 225, is closer to 260 to about 265. And basically new highs type of stock. On all declines you keep buying it. DB Realty was actually a call yesterday, but again, something that keeps making fresh intermediate highs, continues to remain a buy, and chances are that DB will get fairly close to levels about 180 before this run kind of pauses for a break. For today's trading, Nifty must stay above 5926. Resistance comes in at 5942 and 5955. Support at 5913 and 5897. Bank Nifty needs to stay above 12,512 and CNX IT above 5957. Now, yesterday's BTST's ONGC was a buy with a stop about 259, target of 275. Shipping Corporation, shipping stocks did well yesterday, was a buy with a stop about 53, target of 65. And IT stocks came back strongly. So Infosys was a buy with a stop about 22.45, target of 23.50. Fresh calls, Nagarjuna Construction seems to be going through a strong rally. That's a buy with a stop about 52, target of 64. DB Realty keeps appearing in our list, so this is a buy with a stop about 148, target of 163. Karnataka Bank may have just restarted its rally, so this is a buy with a stop about 169, target of 184. Peninsula Land is a buy with a stop about 74, target of 88. Torrent Power is a buy with a stop about 179, target of 194. And McLeod Russell is a buy with a stop about 354, target of 376.